Hello guys, this is Ricky from Xindun. Today we are going to introduce specific steps of production quality inspection and will introduce the detection of faulty series inverter details.
We can see that our inverter is being connected to mains power and PV power to simulate its working situation. Our energy will make comprehensive inspection, including current and voltage testing, overload and underload protection alarm, and inverter output short circuit protection testing.
We have dozens of patents and related certifications of the inverter circuit, material, appearance, and other designs, and all of our products have been officially certified. Besides, they will undergo multiple quality inspections before shipment to ensure that the machines received by our clients can be normally used.